hide unavailable variants from collection and search. Managing inventory is one of the key components of a successful online business. You need to forecast to make sure your most popular products are always in stock. But what about those which are sold less often and sometimes become out of stock? You definitely don't want to display sold-out products at the top of your collections. The best way to handle sold-out inventory is to either hide it entirely. From the admin dashboard, navigate to icon settings at the footer of the sidebar. Click Search Index Card. Toggle to enable Hide Unavailable Variants. This will exclude all the out-of-stock variants from your collection and search. Click Sync button to let our system update new indexing settings and re-index your product data. In case you need further support or additional information, please send a request to our support team. We are always eager to solve any issues and find an optimist solution for you.